Good morning, Nancy. Shannon Coward here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about the Santa Fe. Now, you didn't specify color, no worries. We will just give you a brief overview of the car and then we'll funnel down, find out exactly what you're looking for whenever you and I meet. Let's get started. It's got sporty alloy wheels. When you come through the back, there's ample room for 3 passengers. Now up on the steering wheel for safety and convenience, you've got your radio controls, cruise control, Bluetooth. I pair your phone before you drive off the lot. The buttons here actually toggle through the back display, keeping everything at your fingertips. This has got CD player, it's got backup camera, AM, FM, XM satellite radios, free for 90 days, auxiliary, USB, dual climate control. But the most important thing about the Santa Fe is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000-mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000-mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. Please call me on my personal cell, 205-907-4700. Nancy here at Tameron Hyundai. You're going to love the way you're